Well, would you look at that? Who's this from? One thing about Carzilla is they always package this stuff so tightly and so well. It's, oh, look at that. Somebody's making the move away from CG to Rennie Doyle. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I think this was $199 bucks. Nope, it's the free sample tire cleaner. I think I'll use that on my own car, see how it works. There's everything I ordered. Some of it was on sale. There's the price. $420, free shipping. Really like these guys. If you ever have a problem with anything, they take care of it like within minutes. I had a bottle broken open of some interior cleaner from P&S, and they, when I contacted them, it was literally 3 minutes, and they had another one in the mail being shipped to me, no questions asked. Thank you, Andrew and Chris from Carzilla.